I know this is a different day, but I wanted to say thank you very much for watching me put up this wonderful fireplace. It has been a great addition to our bathroom, both here, and we even used it in Florida on the wall, if you saw my prior videos when we had our other house. This particular model is no longer available. We have had it for a few years, but I will link down in the comments below, or in the description below actually, one that is similar and of the same brand. You'll really find that you're going to like it, and you're going to be nice and cozy when you get out of the bath or the shower. But thank you again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. That really helps out the channel and allows me to continue to bring these videos to you. But thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.